Hi guys, this is Imbra Trader and I'm sorry for the delay with my videos. The market conditions were not the best lately, but it doesn't mean that we need avoid trading. It just means that we need to adapt to the new conditions and not waiting until they get back to previous state, because you know what, it can actually not happen at all. So as you noticed, this video is published on the new channel. It is called the IQ Trading, and the matter is that there are some new legal regulations that made me post the IQ option videos on the new channel. So I will be using my old Imbra Trader channel for reviewing and trading of the other brokers, and this new one, IQ Trading, will be dedicated exclusively to the IQ auction broker. And today's video is about the new feature that IQ option rolled out recently. It is called the digital options. So digital options are very similar to the regular binary options, but it also gives you the ability to choose not only the direction of the price but also its level, namely the strike price. So let's get back to business. I will be trading and showing the digital option features on the go. So this is the basic start window of the trading platform. I'm going to add the indicators that I use all the time, the Bollinger Bands with default settings. I will change the graph to candlesticks, time to 1 minute, the interval. What else? I'm missing two of my favorite indicators, the stochastic oscillator, also setting it up with the default settings. Actually, for the stochastic, I would change the overbought conditions from 80 to 85, oversold from 20 to 15, so I have more reliable picture of the current conditions, and also the CCI with the period 14. For those who don't know much about trading and indicators, the stochastic shows the overbought and oversold conditions, meaning that in my case, when the price crosses the upper line, it meaning that the market is overbought and it should start the reverse movement in the opposite direction, meaning that it should start moving down. And the same with the lower line, when it gets to 15, it means that the market eventually should start going in the opposite direction. You see how the graph oscillates here. When it reaches the lower line, it means that soon it's gonna change its direction. The same with the upper line. So in this case, when we are touching the upper line, it means that the graph should eventually start going down. So I will try to GPY. I will try to make use of this prediction. So right now there are 11 assets in the digital options. You can see them all here, and I'm gonna proceed with my first trade. So you see how the percentage changes for the call and put trades, and these are my strike prices. So I'm gonna choose one that is less risky than the other ones, probably either the upper one. It doesn't make sense to use it at the moment because the percentage of the return is not significant, just 3% for the direction to go down. Alright, this should be a good call. So put trade with the 200% return, $50 trade, and the purchase time is 2 minutes, which is probably fine in our case. So let's see here, like in case if at this strike level the return was about 20 or 30%, I would use it because it's totally safe deal, but in our case it's just not applicable. Alright, so making the $50 trade, the expected profit is 99.66, so meaning that guessing just one strike level at this point, we will be able to get the 200% return. So there is a minute and a half left and 30 seconds for the expiration, basically 2 minutes. So I might also make a couple more trades, but alright, so this level might be of use, plus 27%. I'll wait a bit more for the moment when the price goes down. Plus 27. Alright, I'll make the 100%. Alright, 40% and $200 trades. So in case if we're not good with the upper trade, this lower one should save us. And in case if the price at the end of the trade will be between these two strike prices, alright, it's not gonna be anyway. Alright, probably still 30 seconds left, so we'll see. So my total investment is $300, and in case if the trade closes in this position, I will lose only 100, but in case if price goes up within the next 10 seconds, I will have a pretty significant return. Okay, it's not gonna happen at the moment, minus 100, and I do expect the price to start going up. Let me wait. Yeah, I think this is the right confirmation. $100 for the call trade, and there are still 4 minutes left for the expiration. Okay, I'm gonna check out a couple other assets as well to have these simultaneous trades. Alright, so this looks pretty decent here. Okay, plus 100, plus 96%. So why I made this trade, because you see the moving average, you see like there is some clear uptrend happening at the moment. That's why I do expect the price to continue going up. We might also make some safe trade, probably not in this point. Okay, I'm gonna wait. We still have enough time, and I will wait for it. Here everything looks good. So one more feature that is really nice here is that we are able to sell our trades before the expiration. So in this case, if we wait for the expiration and the trade is in the money, we're gonna get 72 bucks. In case if we sell it now, we're gonna get 20 bucks, which is a pretty decent return and really safe trade. So I might make a couple more ones. You see there is the plus 30 something return for the 129.27 strike price. So I might do a couple more trades just to increase the potential return. So there is only 2 minutes left for the expiration. And yes, plus 62, plus 55, all right, plus 61, and one more. So $300 total. And 2 minutes left. So I do expect the price to continue going up. And in case if it expires above this line, the return will be $186. And just to confirm it, I might make one more call trade which has a really significant percentage at the moment, plus 132. So it will give us some decent return, plus $318. Let's check here. Everything looks good. So yeah, it did make sense to proceed with some higher trade, which we might do. Okay, now returns are not significant here. 30 seconds left, and as you see, in case if both trades are in the money, we're gonna get more than $400 total return. All right. I lost the connection with the server for a couple seconds. 3-1, and this is it, ladies and gentlemen. $1,800 on the account. Both trades are in the money. It was the right prediction, and the amount was credited to my trading account. Since there is a really smooth uptrend happening here, I might repeat it once again. So this is gonna be relatively safe trade, plus 30%. I'll start with it at this strike level, and I might do a couple more confirmation trades. Plus 77, okay, plus 30. Let's wait, we're not in a rush. Plus 57, 67, 34. Okay, one more at this level, and I'm gonna wait a couple minutes to to make a confirmation trade just to increase the potential return in case if my prediction is true. Let's check the Euro JPY. Alright, so there are the signs of the potential reversal that may happen. And yes, $100 trade for the put direction. And probably one more trade for the, okay, not the best entry point, but still I suppose it's gonna be in the money. Alright, here everything looks safe as well. Not the best returns, but still it's better to be in the safe position. And what I can do here is I might make a trade for the reversal. So you see how big this spike is, and I do expect that the price can have the direction change at this point. So that's why the two trades at this level are for the downwards direction, and the one at this level is for the upwards direction. So when the trade expires and the price will stay the level between these two lines, it's gonna bring the highest return. In this case, the total investment is $300 and the return is gonna be 310. So basically more than 100% return, which is pretty awesome. Alright, what's happening here? The price is moving down, but I do see some signs of the direction change. Actually, there is just 1 minute left. So let's see how it ends. So there are many ongoing changes that are happening in the binary options industry at the moment, and most of the brokers are expanding their services portfolio they are offering. They are adding the CFD and forex trading capabilities. So probably this is something that we're gonna see in IQ option as well. 10 seconds left, and our return now really depends on this slight movement that is happening here. And luckily for us, this trade is in the money, plus $300 on this trade and minus 70 on this one, which is an overall the pretty significant return. So the trade is in the money, and I do consider this instrument to be very, very effective, especially for the reversal trades. As you see here, it didn't take much time to record this video. It was the live trading session on the real accounts, and basically usually it takes more time to catch the right setup for trading of the digital options, but at the end of the day it definitely pays off. So that's why I do recommend you to try it yourself. But my advice is to, whenever you try something new, whether it's a new method, whether it's a new feature, do it on the demo account, and once you feel confident with the demo, go ahead and switch to real ones and start with tiny trades. This is advice that I always give to everybody, and this is the principle that I follow myself all the time. So thank you for being with me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the Facebook group, and you're welcome to join the traders community at any time. I wish you all the good luck. Have a good one, guys. Bye.